are you today? Good. Today we are going to learn Unit 6, Food Please, Part 2, which is Countable and Uncountable Noun. Are you ready? So, the learning objectives for today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to: first, answer 3 out of 4 questions correctly. Second, classify 6 out of 10 countable and uncountable nouns correctly. But first, shall we recap our previous lesson? Do you still remember what we have learned previously?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. What can we make? There's some flour in the cupboard, there's some chocolate and some sugar. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits. Let's make some biscuits now.
There's some lettuce on the table. There are some tomatoes and some onions. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad. Let's make some salad now.
So now, based on the second lyric, what do we need to make a biscuit? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The things are flour, chocolate, and sugar. Now, for the last lyric, what are the ingredients that we need to make salad? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The ingredients that we need to make a salad are lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Wow! You guys did a really good job just now. Now, I want you to open your textbook, page 56, and take a look at the vocabularies on the top of the book. The first vocabulary that we have are omelette. Omelette. How do we spell omelette? O-M-E-L-L-E-T-E. Omelette. What is omelette? Omelette is a pan-fried egg that we can put any toppings that we want. For example, meat. Second, we have peas. Peas. How do we spell peas? P-E-A-S. Peas. What is peas? Peas in Bahasa Melayu, we call it as kacang polong, or sometimes we can call it as kacang peas. Next, we have pancake. Pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Pancake. What is pancake? Pancake in Bahasa Melayu, we call it as lempeng. In Malaysia, people usually eat pancake with sambal. But in another country, some people eat pancake with some butter, honey, and fruits. Next, we have pineapple. Pineapple. How to spell pineapple? P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. How does pineapple taste? Pineapple tastes so sweet and juicy. Here we have peppers. Peppers. How do we spell peppers? P-E-P-P-E-R-S. Peppers. There are 4 colors of peppers. We have red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and green peppers. Usually, we can find peppers on pizza. And the last but not least, we have coconut. Coconut. How do we spell coconut? C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Now, let's read the short story on the textbook. First, teacher will read and you will listen. Next, let's read the short story together, shall we? I love my omelette. There's some cheese in my omelette. Is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg?
No, there isn't.
There are some peppers in my omelette too. Are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg?
No, there aren't. There isn't any cheese and there aren't any peppers in my omelette. But there are some peas, onions, and pineapple.
Yuck!
And for dessert, coconut pancakes!
Yummy! Now, it's time for us to read together. Are you ready? I love my omelette. There is some cheese in my omelette. Is there any cheese in your omelette, Greg?
No, there isn't.
There are some peppers in my omelette too. Are there any peppers in your omelette, Greg?
No, there aren't. There isn't any cheese and there aren't any peppers in my omelette. But there are some peas, onions, and pineapple.
Yuck! And for dessert, coconut pancakes! Yummy! Wow! You have read the short story. Now, it's time for you to answer this question. The first question is, what are Greg and Anna eating? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is omelette. Greg and Anna are eating omelette. Do you guys get it correct? Next, what is Dad making? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is Dad is making coconut pancake. Who here loves to eat coconut pancake? Raise up your hand. Next, what are there in Anna's omelette? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is there's some cheese and peppers in Anna's omelette. And the last question is, what are there in Greg's omelette? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is there are some peas, onions, and pineapple. Yay! Who got all answer correct? Raise up your hand. Now it's time for us to learn what is countable and uncountable noun. But what is countable and uncountable noun? Do you guys have any idea? Countable noun is a noun that we can count using numbers. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and so on. Uncountable noun is for nouns that we cannot count. For example, noun that has liquid, powders, gases. Noun that has liquids are oil, milk, water, while for nouns that has powder are salt and sugar. Here, we have some example for countable and uncountable noun. For countable noun, we have eggs, bananas, olive, fries, burger, hot dog, apple, carrots, tomatoes, and watermelon. For uncountable noun, we have milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea, and cheese. So do you guys understand on how to classify countables and uncountables noun? Now it's time for you guys to answer some quiz. Are you ready? This is a picture of a rice. Does rice is countable or uncountable? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is uncountable. Next, this is a picture of bananas. There are 4 bananas. Does bananas is countable or uncountable? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is countable. And last but not least, oil. Is oil is countable or uncountable? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is uncountable. Yay! So now for today's task is, I want everyone to answer the worksheet that I give. Teacher will give you an online worksheet. The link will be given in the Telegram group. Next, when you're done, I want you to screenshot your marks and send it into the Telegram group as usual. Don't forget to write your name. So, that's all for today. Thank you for joining our class. I hope you guys understand today's lesson. That's all. Bye!